and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Elect Congress candidates and Parrikar government will topple, states Pratapsingh Rane. Modi will convert nation into another Godhra, says Ravi. Churchill Alema becomes a big threat for Congress. Chella Kumar requests Alema to reconsider his protest. Churchill gives 24 hours to decide. Goa NCP meets Sharad Pawar over alliance decision with Congress. Crucial meeting with Praful Patel on Friday. NCP's inclination towards supporting Congress. MH370 Malaysian aircraft debris spotted in southern Indian Ocean off Australian coast. Agencies verifying 26 nations participate in search operation. And GPL enters climax stage. Dempo beats Salgaonkar on Super 4 League by 6 wickets. Complete target of 73 runs in 11 overs. And now the news in detail. Elect Congress candidates during Lok Sabha election in Goa and see how Parrikar-led government topples. Opposition leader Pratapsingh Rane has made this prediction during GPCC convention at GCCI Hall on Thursday. Rane has admitted that Congress committed a blunder during last assembly election, but now he has appealed every congressman to pull up their socks. Meanwhile, Ravi Naik has cautioned that Modi will turn India into another Godhra if he becomes Prime Minister. Montserrat Couple and Pandurang Madgaikar were not present for this crucial meet.
State Congress held a crucial meeting at GCCI Hall comprising MLAs, former MLAs, defeated MLAs, president and other office bearers. Congress started its campaign schedule with the consent of Karyakartas. Pratapsingh Rane was vocal on toppling Parrikar government. He said, elect Congress candidates and see BJP government toppling in Goa.
ही जी संद आसा पक्ष घट करपाची आणि फुडल्या खेपेक आमचो जो उमेदवार आसा तेका निवडून दिवपाचो तो जर निवडून आयलो जाल्यार हमखास सरकार पडटलें हेंय सांगता तुमकां.
Rane has admitted political blunders during the past regime but has appealed for unity and let the bygones be bygones.
खूब चुको जाल्यो आमचे कडेन आम मान्य करूंक तयार आसा. आमचे जे मेस कारभारी काय कितें जे ज्या तरेन सरकार चल्लेलें ते खूब काय उलयक सारकें आसलें कित्याक थोडे एनसीपीच्या वांगडा घेवन गेल्ले आनी तांकां तेंच्यांनी उजवाड घातलो उलोवंक जायना. फाटलें जें कितें आसा सोडून दिवन आमकां फुडलें पळोवचें पडटलें. ही संदी आमी सोडूंक जायना.
Ravi Naik said that Modi will convert nation into Godhra if he becomes Prime Minister.
आमचे तूं सगळे लोक आमचे लोकशाही तेंगेली वन मॅन गोंयांत कसो परिकार जर जालें मनोहरभाई आनी ते कितें ते बदल करून आमी कोणाचेच तशें केलें ना. ते प्रत्येक मनशाचो बदलो घेवपाक पळयता. मातसो कोणी मातशें हें जालो तेका वयर हाडून तेका तकलेर आनी तेच तर देशाचे ते प्रायम मिनिस्टर मोदी जालो जाल्यार मोदी आमकां ह्या देशाक खंयचीच पॉलिटिकल पार्टी राजकीय पार्टी वयर येवपा दिवपाना. नवीन फुडारी नवीन जे आसात जे आसा जनरेशन जे आसा नवीन फुडारी बिडारी जावपाची कोणा वयर सरपा दिवपाचें ना. कारण तो येयलो जाल्यार कितें जातलें हें आमी लक्षांत दवरपाक जाय. देशाक सेफ्टी ना सेक्युरिटी जावपाची ना. जशें पळय तेणें थंय केल्लें हांगा गोधरा ते प्रमाणे आमच्या देशान जातलें सगळे कडेन.
John Fernandez highlighted mining issue.
One is the special status for Goa. Second one is illegal mining. How this problem is to be sorted out. The third one is dual nationality, the so-called Portuguese nationality. How to find a solution to that. The fourth one is about the drug mafia taking over Goa in the name of tourism. And the fourth one is law and order problem. These are the 5 points which we have given to center to incorporate as far as Goa issues are concerned.
But Montserrat couple Pandurang Madkaikar, spokesperson Jitendra Deshprabhu and Ramakant Khalaf were not seen at this meeting. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar and video journalist Omkar Farari for Prudent.
Churchill Alemao will declare his stand about contesting Lok Sabha poll by Friday noon. He said Congress leader Chella Kumar has asked him for another day's time to decide on his demand. Churchill Alemao is furious after Alex Reginald was considered as Congress candidate for South Goa. Meanwhile, NSUI says they are ready to support Alex, however, unhappy with High Command's decision. All Goa Muslim Jamaat of Salsit has objected to Alex's candidature. Churchill Alemao was supposed to declare his stand about contesting Lok Sabha poll independently from South Goa. He had given a deadline of 24 hours to High Command to revoke their decision on allotting ticket to Alex. Churchill said Chella Kumar has sought another day's time to decide on his demand. Churchill will declare his stand on Thursday noon.
म्हाका 1:30 डॉक्टर चेला कुमाराला फोन येयलो आनी मला लागलो तेजेर मला जास्ती हे घेनाका डिसिजन घेनाका मातसो आज आमगे दिसती तेन्ना ताका सांगलें तुमकां म्हणजे कितें जाता डिफिकल्ट जाता साधना तिकेट दिवपाक डिफिकल्ट जाता वालाका तिकेट दिवपाक जाल्यार म्हळ्यार तुमी म्हाका तिकेट दी आनी ना जाल्यार म्हळ्यार हांव आज तुगे हायकमांड ऑर्डर प्रमाणे रावता आता म्हळ्यार हाल्या 12 एक्सेप्टमेंट मुगे डिसिजन मारलें.
NSUI has accepted Alex's candidature, however, are not happy with the High Command's decision.
We are accepting the candidate because it's a party High Command demand, but we are not happy with the candidate on.
Meanwhile, All Goa Muslim Jamaat says Reginald Lawrence is not a secular candidate.
Because Reginald is not secular, being he is communal. आम्ही डिसिजन घेतलेले आसा. We have Association of All Goa Muslim Jamaat South Goa आम्ही डिसिजन घेतलेले आसा की we will not support Reginald.
आणि कोणा सपोर्ट करता?
Any secular party. We with a lot of parties we are coming together. This problem has been going on from the time he has become an MLA. And from the time he has made a public statement saying that he will not allow Muslim community to build the houses, to build the prayer houses. And secondly, till now he has blocked the burial ground.
Bureau Report, Prudent. NCP in Goa is still undecided over contesting the Lok Sabha poll. NCP was the first to declare their candidates but will be the last to decide whether to contest alone or support alliance partner Congress. State NCP leaders held a meeting with their party head Sharad Pawar on Thursday. Decider meeting with Praful Patel will be held on Friday. The mood in the NCP inclines towards supporting Congress.
NCP state leaders held a crucial meeting with party head Sharad Pawar on Thursday. NCP state president Nilkanth Halankar, chief spokesperson Trajano Dimelu were present for the meet, but Praful Patel was not present, so there was no concrete decision taken during this meet. NCP had earlier declared to contest both the seats independently in North Goa and South Goa. Nilkanth and Yuri Alemao were the two candidates declared by the NCP after the approval of Praful Patel. But at present, NCP is in dilemma whether to contest or support Congress, so this decision will be taken after meeting Praful Patel. State NCP leaders placed their views during this meeting. They were NCP plans to club with Congress to defeat BJP. Decision regarding declared candidates in Friday meeting. Congress-NCP alliance should continue during assembly poll. Allotted constituencies should remain intact with NCP during assembly poll. Sharad Pawar has given a sound hearing to the plight of state NCP leaders, but decision on declared NCP candidates will come up during Friday meeting. Son-in-law from Karwar has created a complex situation for the NCP. Senior reporter for Prudent, Lokik Shilkar.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.